welcome to our channel Azra Afrah in Wonderland. Today we are going to make Chebab with my mother. It is the traditional food of UAE. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comments, ring the bell for receiving notification. Last video's question answer is lizard. So let's start. Now add 1 egg. Then 1 teaspoon of yeast. Then add 1 cup of sugar. Half cup of sugar. Mix it well. Now add 1 egg. Then 1 teaspoon of yeast. Then add 1 cup of sugar. Half cup of sugar. Mix it well. Add 3 tablespoons of milk powder. Little cardamom powder. Add a pinch of saffron. One cup of flour. Little salt. And 1 cup of water. Mix it well. Now close it with a lid and let it ferment for 1 hour. After 1 hour, it looks like this. Heat the pan and add butter. Now put the mixture of Chebab. Close it for 2 to 3 minutes. Flip it now. It is a type of pancake. Chebab is ready. Put it in a plate. Repeat the same. Close the lid and keep it for 2 more minutes. The Chebab is ready. He is my brother. Hi. Okay, let's taste it. very awesome. Try it in your home. You will like it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comments, ring the bell for receiving notification. The chebab was really nice. Try it in your home. You will like it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comments, ring the bell for receiving notification. Today's question is, which is the nearest star in the world? If you know the answer, tell it in the comments below.